Hello Dairy Today viewers. On behalf of the Market 360 advisors here at Stewart Peterson, I'm Bob Davenport and this is your Dairy Week in Review for June 7th, 2013. Let's take a look at the CME dairy components at the conclusion of Friday's trades. Overall, is a strong week in the cash cheese trade with blocks settling at 174 3/4, up 1/4 cent. Barrel settling at 176 even, up 5 1/4 cents. Cash butter settled at 154 1/2, up 1/2 cent. June whey settled at 58 275, up just over 1/4 cent. And June non-fat dry milk settled at 167 825, up about 0.8%. Looking at Class 3 futures, July settled the week at 18.58, up 19 cents. August settled the week at 19.05, up 35 cents. And that puts the 2013 average at 18.23, up 11 cents on the week. Taking a look at the weekly block barrel average chart, we saw the strongest week in cash cheese than we've seen in a while here after posting 4 down weeks in a row and finishing the whole month of May down. We posted a strong outside weekly bullish reversal here this week. The block barrel average was able to add 2 3/4 cents this week and a total of 54 carloads of cheese traded hands throughout the week's sessions. We saw a real pickup in action during Wednesday's session and that continued through today's close. Class 3 futures saw a tremendous amount of support from the pickup in the cash cheese sessions this week. We saw the real turnaround during Wednesday's trade. Let's take a look at the weekly chart of the individual July contract. On Wednesday, the July contract put in a low of 17.97 and rallied all the way up to 18.72. We closed out the week at 18.58, adding 19 cents and posted a strong outside weekly bullish reversal. We saw similar price patterns in the majority of the month in 2013 this week. Now hopefully this is the seasonal low that we've been looking for, and hopefully we can see at least some short-term seasonal upside going forward. Taking a look at weekly dairy cow slaughter, slaughter came in at 56,800 head for the latest week reported. Now that's up from the prior week, but that is still 300 head below where we were at the same week in 2012. Now that marks the 3rd week in a row now that slaughter has come in below 2012 levels. That being said, year-to-date slaughter numbers are still tracking about 4% above 2012 levels. The latest Fonterra Global Dairy Trade Auction took place on Tuesday of this week, and the Global Dairy Trade Trade-Weighted Index was down another 5.3% this week. Now it had been 3 weeks since the previous auction, and a small decline was a little bit to be expected here. On the bright side though, CME cheddar is still trading at over a 30-cent discount to Fonterra cheddar. Fonterra cheddar did not trade in the latest 2 auctions, therefore Fonterra cheddar prices are still hanging at record highs. Taking a look at weekly cheese stocks came in at 112.135 million pounds for the latest week reported. Now that is down 4.5% from the peak that we put in the middle of May. Weekly cheese stocks are now beginning to track back down towards the 2013 lows. Taking a look at the week ahead, we do have a USDA supply and demand report out on Wednesday, as well as a dairy product sales report out on Wednesday. So tune into next week's video for a recap of those reports. And that'll do it for us here today. On behalf of the Market 360 advisors here at Stewart Peterson, thanks for watching and have a great weekend.